because the motion was registered by the MKP and supported by EFF, who never supported the GPU. When the executive was elected, they never voted for the executive. And along the way, they've never said they have a vote of confidence. So it was not a new thing. It was absolutely creating chaos. What is unfortunate, what is painful, is what I saw, the GBV at its highest level.
Scenes of chaos unfolded in the KwaZulu-Natal legislature on Monday after a motion of no confidence brought by the Umkhonto weSizwe Party against Premier Thami Ntuli failed to secure the required majority. Tensions boiled over moments after Speaker Nontembeko Boyce announced the outcome of the open ballot, confirming that Ntuli would remain in office. Boyce stated that the motion has failed. Honorable Ntuli remains the Premier. The House is adjourned, prompting loud protest from the Umkhonto weSizwe Party and the Economic Freedom Fighters members. The opposition parties had demanded that the vote be conducted by secret ballot, arguing that some legislatures had been threatened and will not be able to vote freely in an open process. Boyce rejected the request, ruling that the vote will proceed openly. Her decision sparked immediate disruption, with the Umkhonto weSizwe Party and EFF members singing and chanting on the floor of the House, repeatedly interrupting proceedings, singing "Asinavalo ngalento esiyenzayo, we have no fear of what we are doing." Members sang as the Speaker issued repeated warnings to them for them to return to their seats. When the disorder continued, Boyce instructed police to intervene and remove the disruptive members. The situation escalated as some MK Party members resisted, shouting that firearms were not permitted inside the chamber. Proceedings were temporarily suspended as police moved in to restore order. The motion required at least 41 votes to pass in the 80-seat legislature. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party, which holds 37 seats, secured support from the EFF 2 seats and the National Freedom Party NFP 1 seat, giving it to a total of 40 votes, just one short of required majority. The Government of Provincial Unity GPU, comprising the Gata Freedom Party 15 seats, African National Congress 14, Democratic Alliance 11, and NFP 1 narrowly retained control within 41 seats. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party has argued that Ntuli presides over an underperforming provincial administration marred by corruption and financial mismanagement, and has sought to take control of the province despite winning the largest share of the vote in last year's provincial elections. Police remained on high alert inside the legislature as efforts continued to calm the situation. Ntuli, meanwhile, remains firmly in office following the failed motion.
When the Speaker was physically attacked, when he was saying we are just consolidating for the 365 activism against gender-based violence, but we saw it happening today. And people of KwaZulu-Natal, they must now know the MKP and the EFF, that they were making expectations that they can do something, and they've failed.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.